An oxygen cylinder of volume 30 liters has 18.20 moles oxygen. After some oxygen is withdrawn from the cylinder, its gauge pressure drops to 11 atmospheres at 27 degrees C. The mass of oxygen removed from the cylinder is nearly N1 equal to 18.2 moles, V volume equal to 30 liters equal to 30 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube, P2 equal to 11 atmospheres and T equal to 300 Kelvin. Molecular weight of oxygen 32 grams equal to 32 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Final moles of oxygen N2 equal to P2 into V by RT equal to 1.2 into 1.01 into 10 power 5 atmospheres into 30 into 10 power minus 3 by 100 by 12 into 300. This equal to 30 ones, 30 tens, 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.01 equal to 14.54 moles. Delta N equal to 18.2 minus 14.54 equal to 3.66 moles. Therefore, mass removed equal to number of moles into molecular weight. Is equal to 3.66 nearly into 32 into 10 power minus 3. This equal to 116 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram equal to 0.116 kilogram. 3 identical heat conducting rods are connected in series as shown. The left end is maintained at temperature 3T and the right end is at T. In steady state temperature at left junction T1 and that at right junction is T2. The ratio T1 by T2 is at steady state dq by dt, dq1 by dt equal to dq2 by dt equal to dq3 by dt. 2k A into 3t minus t1 by L equal to ka into T1 minus T2 by L equal to 2Ka into T2 minus T by L. మా అన్నిటిలో Ka క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, అలాగే L కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు 6t మైనస్ 2t1 ఈక్వల్ టు T1 మైనస్ T2 ఒక రిలేషన్ వచ్చింది. దీని నుంచి 6t ఈక్వల్ టు 3t1 మైనస్ T2. ఇంకొక రిలేషన్ తీసుకుందాం. T1 మైనస్ T2 ఈక్వల్ టు 2t2 మైనస్ 2t, 2t ఈక్వల్ టు 2t ఇటు రాసినట్లయితే 3t2 మైనస్ t1. మరి దీన్ని బోత్ సైడ్స్ 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినట్లయితే 6t ఈక్వల్ టు 9t2 minus 3t1. This is the second equation, this is the first equation. From equations 1 and 2, 3t1 minus t2 equal to 9t2 minus 3t1. 6t1 equal to 10t2. t1 by t2. t1 by t2 కావాలి. t1 by t2 equal to 10 by 6 equal to 5 by 3 or 5:3. In an oscillating spring mass system, a spring is connected to a box filled with sand. As the box oscillates, sand leaks out slowly so that the average frequency omega and average amplitude A change with time. The correct option which represents is angular velocity or angular frequency omega equal to root k by m and omega is proportional to 1 by root m. కాబట్టి ఒమేగా ఎం గ్రాఫ్లో తీసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇట్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దిస్. టోటల్ కేఈ ఈక్వల్ టు half m omega square a square if part of sand is removed, total energy and amplitude of SHM decreases. Amplitude and mass. Two identical point masses P and Q suspended from two separate massless springs of constants K1 and K2 oscillates vertically if their maximum speeds are same. The ratio of amplitudes AQ by AP is V maximum of P equal to V maximum of Q equal to A amplitude of P into K by mass of P equal to amplitude of Q into K by mass of Q under root. V equal to A omega formula. From V equal to A omega. K cancel అవుతుంది. AQ by AP equal to mass of Q by mass of AQ by mass of Q by mass of P or AQ by AP equal to కేలలో రాసినట్లయితే KP by KQ అండర్ రూట్. ఇది M కాన్స్టెంట్, ఇక్కడ M కాన్స్టెంట్, ఇక్కడ K కాన్స్టెంట్. సపరేట్ మాసెస్ కాబట్టి మా స్ప్రింగ్స్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ K1 అండ్ K2 స్ప్రింగ్ కాన్స్టెంట్సే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మా మాస్ కాన్స్టెంట్గా తీసుకుంటే రిలేషన్ ఇది అవుతుంది. A pipe open at both ends has a fundamental frequency F in air. The pipe now dipped vertically in a water drum to half of its length. Then fundamental frequency of air column is now equal to fundamental frequency of open pipe F open equal to V by 2L, where L length of open pipe. Length of closed pipe when dipped to half, L closed equal to L open by 2 equal to L by 2. Now fundamental frequency of closed pipe equal to F closed equal to V by 4L equal to V by 4 into L closed equal to L by 2 equal to V by 2L. This is therefore F closed equal to F open equal to F. In a vernier calipers 9 MSD equal to 10 VSD and one main scale division equal to 0.1 centimeter and the zero of vernier scale is at 0.1 centimeter when the jaws are closed. If the main scale reading for the diameter is 5 centimeter and vernier coincidence is 8, the measured diameter after zero error correction is. Here 9 MSD equal to 10 VSD. Therefore 1 VSD equal to 9 by 10 MSD. Least count equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD equal to 1 MSD minus 9 by 10 MSD equal to 1 by 10 MSD equal to 0.1 by 10 ante 0.01 centimeter. This is the least count. Total reading equal to main scale reading MSR, main scale reading A plus vernier coincidence into least count, this equal to B. Total reading equal to A plus B centimeter equal to A 5 centimeter plus 8 into 0.01 equal to 5.08 centimeter total reading. Applying error 5.08 minus 0.1 equal to 4.98 centimeter. This is the correct reading. Correct reading equal to 4.98 centimeter. the output y of the given logic gate is similar to the output of. ఇక్కడ ట్రూత్ టేబుల్ ABY వేస్తున్నాను. ఏకి 0, బికి 0 ఇస్తాం. ఏకి 0 ఇచ్చినట్లయితే, ఏకి 0, బికి 0 ఇచ్చినట్లయితే ఆర్ గేట్ 0, నార్ గేట్ 1 అవుతుంది. అలాగే ఇక్కడ 0 0 అంటే అండ్ గేట్ 0, నాండ్ గేట్ 1, 1 1 అంటే 1 అవుతుంది. 1 ఈసారి 1 0 ఇస్తున్నాం. 1 0 ఆర్ గేట్ 1, నార్ గేట్ 0. అలాగే ఇక్కడ 0 1 తీసుకున్నట్లయితే 0 1 అండ్ గేట్ 0, నాండ్ గేట్ వచ్చేసి నాండ్ గేట్ కాబట్టి 1 అవుతుంది. 0 ఇది 1 1 1 1 0 అండ్ గేట్ 0. మరలా అలాగే ఇది 0 ఇది 1 ఇస్తాం. అంటే ఇది 1 0 అయినట్లయితే ఇది 0 అవుతుంది, ఇది 1 అవుతుంది, మరలా 0 వస్తుంది. ఈసారి 1 1 ఇచ్చినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 1 1 1 అవుతుంది, ఇది 0. అలాగే ఇక్కడ 1 1 1 అవుతుంది, 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 కూడా 0నే. ఇది ట్రూత్ టేబుల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రూత్ టేబుల్ ఆఫ్ నార్ గేట్. ఆర్ గేట్ 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. నార్ గేట్ దీనికి రివర్స్ కదా. 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. So given combination is acts as NOR gate. A full wave rectifier circuit with diodes D1 and D2 as shown. If input voltage is V input equal to 220 sin 100 pi t, then at 15 milliseconds, 15 milliseconds అప్పుడు ఏ డయోడు ఫార్వర్డ్ బయాసు, ఏది రివర్స్ బయాసు కనుక్కోవాలి. T equal to 15 milliseconds equal to 15 into 10 power minus 3 seconds. V input equal to 220 sin of 100 pi into T 15 into 10 power minus 3 equal to 220 sin. ఇక్కడ 10 పవర్ మైనస్ 3 అంటే 1.5 వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 220 sin 3 pi by 2 ఈక్వల్ టు 220 of minus 1. దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 220 volt. Means diode D1 is in reverse bias and D2 is in forward bias. A model for quantized motion of an electron in uniform magnetic field B states that flux through the orbit of an electron is nh by E. According to the model, magnetic moment of electron in its lowest energy state will be magnetic moment of electron. Magnetic flux phi equal to B into pi r square equal to given nh by E. Therefore, r square equal to nh by pi b E. For first orbit, n equal to 1, r square equal to nh by h by pi b E. Now, radius of charged particle in uniform magnetic field enters normally perpendicular to field is r equal to mv by bq. mv by bq. Now this is from centripetal force mv square by r equal to bqv. For electron, for an electron, v by r equal to v by r, be by m. Magnetic moment of electron. Revolving electron, m equal to I into pi r square equal to I ante EV by 2 pi r into pi r square. This equal to EV by 2 pi r E by 2 pi E by 2 pi into V by R equal to first step lo V by R equal to BE by M into pi r square, pi into r square equal to h by pi BE అవుతుంది. This equal to ఈ BE క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, పై క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. EH by 2 pi m. Magnetic moment of electron in its lowest energy orbit means n equal to 1 first orbit equal to EH by 2 pi m. Next. A particle of mass m is moving around the origin with constant force F, pulling it towards origin. If Bohr's model is used to describe its motion, the radius of the nth orbit and particle speed in the nth orbit depends on radius of nth orbit mv square by r, centrifugal force equal to F v square equal to Fr by m. From Bohr's second postulate, mvr equal to nh by 2 pi v equal to nh by 2 pi r into m. From equations 1 and 2. One and 2, m by r v square f equal to m by r into v square n square h square by 4 pi square r square into m square. దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఒక ఎంకి ఎమ్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ స్క్వయరు క్రింద ఆర్ క్యూబ్ ఉంది. ఎన్ స్క్వయర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్. ఎన్ స్క్వయర్ ఈజ్ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ఆర్ క్యూబ్ అండ్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు r cube is proportional to n square. R is proportional to n power 2 by 3. From equation 2, v equal to nh by 2 pi m into r. R power n, r is proportional to n power 2 by 3 ఉంది. కాబట్టి v is proportional to n power 1 into n power minus 2 by 3 అంటే v is proportional to n power 1 by 3. But v is proportional to n power 1 by 3 and r is proportional to n power 2 by 3 అవుతుంది. A photon and an electron have the same energy E. The ratio lambda photon by lambda electron of the de Broglie wavelength is. Of the de Broglie wavelength is. E photon equal to E equal to h nu equal to hc by lambda. E electron equal to h by root 2m e. Root 2m e. Given E photon equal to E photon equal to E electron. Therefore, hc by lambda equal to h by root 2m e. Lambda photon by lambda electron equal to hc by e into root 2me by h. This equal to c into root 2m by e. Lambda photon by lambda electron equal to hc by e into root 2me by h. h క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. c ఇంటూ రూట్ 2m బై ఒక రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే ఈ మిగులుతుంది. An unpolarized light beam traveling in air is incident on a medium of refractive index 1.732 at Brewster's angle. Then at Brewster's angle mu equal to tan IP polarizing angle. This equal to 1.732. Therefore IP equal to 60 degrees. This equal to, according to laws of reflection, I polarization equal to reflection equal to 60 degrees. At polarizing angle, reflected and refracted rays are perpendicular to each other. The intensity of transmitted light when a Polaroid sheet placed between two crossed Polaroids at 22.5 from the polarization axis of one Polaroid is angle between first and third Polaroids equal to 22.5 degrees. Third and second Polaroids equal to 67.5 degrees. I final equal to intensity of emergent light I equal to I naught into cos square theta 1 into cos square theta 2. I naught into cos square theta into cos square 90 minus theta equal to I naught into cos square theta into sin square theta. This equal to I naught into 4 by 4 cos square theta into sin square theta equal to I naught by 4 into sin 2 theta whole square. This equal to I naught by 4 into sin 2 theta sin 45 degrees whole square equal to I naught by 4 into sin 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square equal to I naught by 4 into 1 by root 2 whole square ante 1 by 2 equal to I naught by 8. A microscope has an objective of focal length 2 cm and eyepiece of focal length 4 cm and the tube length of 40 cm. If D equal to 25 cm, the magnification in the microscope is. Magnification of compound microscope when L, D, FO and FE are given is LD by FO FE. L 40 into D 25 by FO FE 4 into 2. 4 tens, 2 fives equal to 125. In a certain camera, a combination of 4 similar lenses arranged coaxially in contact, then the power of combination and total magnification in comparison to power P and magnification M for each lens will be total power P dash equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 equal to P plus P plus P plus P equal to 4P. అన్నీ సిమిలర్ కాబట్టి అది మా మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ M డాష్ ఈక్వల్ టు M1 M ఇంటూ M ఇంటూ M ఈక్వల్ టు M పవర్ 4. The electric field in a plane electromagnetic wave is given by E2 equal to, then expression for corresponding magnetic field is. Expression for corresponding magnetic field. Here given E naught equal to 60 volt per meter, omega equal to 1.5 into 10 power 9 radian per second and K equal to 5 per meter. See velocity of light C equal to omega by K equal to 1.5 into 10 power 9 by 5 equal to 0.3 into 10 power 9 equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. B naught equal to E naught by C equal to 60 by 3 into 10 power 8 equal to 20 into 10 power minus 8 Tesla. మరి ఈక్వేషన్ B ఈక్వల్ టు 2 into 10 power minus 7 cos of 5x plus 1.5 into 10 power 9 T Tesla. A parallel plate capacitor is made of circular plates is being charged such that surface charge density on its plates increasing at a constant rate with time. Magnetic field arising due to displacement current is magnetic field between the plates is non-zero. B equal to mu naught by 2 pi into ID by capital R into small r. The inside the field inside the plates of capacitor ID by capital R into small r along the axis 0 కానీ మిగతా అన్ని ప్లేసెస్లో నాన్ జీరో ఉంటుంది. along the axis R 0 అవుతుంది. 0 everywhere and maximum at the peripheries of the plates and 0 only along the axis. To an AC power supply of 220 volt 50 Hz, resistor of 20 ohm, capacitor of reactance 25 ohm and an inductor of reactance 45 ohm are connected in series. Corresponding current and phase angle between current and voltage is my impedance Z equal to VL difference VC whole square plus VR square equal to VL 45 minus 25 whole square plus 20 square. This equal to 20 square plus 20 square equal to 20 square common రాస్తే 1 plus 1 equal to 20 root 2 ohms. Current I equal to E by Z equal to 220 by 20 root 2 equal to 11 by root to 1.414 nearly 7.8 ampere. The tan phi equal to VL difference VC by VR equal to 20 by 20 equal to 1. Therefore phase angle phi equal to 45 degrees. AB is a part of an electrical circuit. Then VA minus the PD VA minus VB at the instant when current I equal to 2 ampere and is increasing at a rate of 1 ampere per second is VA minus L di by dt plus minus 5 minus IR minus VB equal to 0. VA minus L1 Henry into di by dt 1 minus 5 minus I 2 into 2 minus VB equal to 0. VA minus 1 minus 5 minus 10 minus VB equal to 0. Therefore, VA minus VB equal to 10 volt. A 2 ampere current is flowing through two different small circular coils having radii ratio 1:2. The ratio of their magnetic moments will be ratio of magnetic momentum equal to I into pi r square. M1 by M2 equal to R1 square by R2 square equal to 1 by 2 whole square equal to 1 by 4 or 1:4. An electron moving with a speed c by 100 is injected into a magnetic field of 9 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla perpendicular to its direction of motion. Electric and magnetic fields together makes so that electron does not deflect from its path. Then force due to electric field is equal to force due to magnetic field. E into E equal to BEV. My EE cancel అవుతుంది. V equal to E by B equal to V equal to E equal to BV. Equal to B 9 into 10 power minus 4 into V equal to C by 100 equal to 9 into 10 power minus 4 into 3 into 10 power 8 by 100 equal to 27 into 10 square volt per meter. Current passing through the battery in the given circuit is. ఇంతవరకు ఇది వీట్స్టోన్స్ బ్రిడ్జ్గా ఉంది. ఇన్ వీట్స్టోన్స్ బ్రిడ్జ్ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ కండిషన్ P by Q equal to R by S. 5 by 2.5 equal to 3 by 1.5 కాబట్టి బ్రిడ్జ్ బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ బ్రిడ్జ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 ప్లస్ 2.5. ఇది బ్యాలెన్సింగ్లో ఉంది అంటే 7.5 4.5. Bridge is in balancing condition. ఎఫెక్టివ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ అంతవరకు బ్రిడ్జి వరకు తీసుకున్నట్లయితే R ఈక్వల్ టు 5 ప్లస్ 3 8 ఇంటూ 2.5 ప్లస్ 1.5 4 by 12 ఈక్వల్ టు 8 by 3 ohm. 8 by 3 1 by 3 5.5 1.5 all are in series. R dash equal to 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 5.5 plus 1.5. This equal to 9 by 3 plus 5.5 ante 7. This equal to 3 plus 7 ante 10 ohms. Resistance R equal to 10 ohms. Current I equal to E by R equal to E5 by R equal to 10 equal to 0.5 ampere అవుతుంది. A wire of resistance R is cut into equal parts. From these pieces two equivalent resistances are made by adding four of them together in parallel. Then the two sets are arranged in series. The equivalent resistance of combination is resistance of each part equal to R by 8 కాబట్టి my 8 equal parts R by 8. R parallel, 4 of them are connected in parallel equal to R by 8 by 4 equal to R by 32. Again these two are connected in series. R series equal to R by 32 plus R by 32 equal to R by 16. Next. An electric dipole with moment 5 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb meter aligned with the direction of uniform electric field of 4 into 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. The dipole is rotated through 60 degrees with respect to electric field. The change in potential energy. Change in potential energy equal to work done W equal to EP of cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. E 5 into 10 power minus 6 into dipole moment P 4 into 10 power 5 into cos theta 1 minus cos 60 1 by 2. This equal to 20 into 10 power minus 1 into 1 by 2. 10 power minus 1 అంటే equal to 1 joule అవుతుంది. The plates of a parallel plate capacitor are separated by D. Two slabs of constants K1 and K2 with thickness 3 by 8D and D by 2 are inserted in the capacitor. Due to this, capacitance becomes 2 times larger than original capacitance. If K1 equal to 1.25 K2, the value of K1 is C air equal to C naught equal to epsilon naught A by D. C medium partly filled CPD equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T1 by K1 D minus of epsilon naught A by 3D by 8 K1 plus D by 2K2 plus D minus 3D by 8 minus D by 2. ఇది epsilon naught A by D minus of T1 plus T2 plus 1 plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 దాని నుంచి వచ్చినటువంటిది. దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు epsilon naught A by 3D by 8 K1 plus D by 2K2 plus my LCM ఇక్కడ 8 వస్తుంది. 8D minus 3D minus 4D by 8. This equal to epsilon naught A by 3d by 8k1 plus d by 2k2 plus d by 8. మా అన్నిటిలో ఎప్సలాన్ నాట్ ఏ బై డీని కామన్ బయట రాస్తే ఇంకా 3/8k1 ప్లస్ 1/2k2 ప్లస్ 1/8 మిగులుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే సిపిడి ఈక్వల్ టు 2C0 అని ఇచ్చారు. అంటే 2 ఇంటూ ఎప్సలాన్ నాట్ ఏ బై డి ఈక్వల్ టు ఇది ఎప్సలాన్ నాట్ ఏ బై డి బై 3/8k1. మరి ఎప్సలాన్ నాట్ ఏ బై డి ఎప్సలాన్ నాట్ ఏ బై డి క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ఇక మిగిలింది 3/8k1 ప్లస్ 1/2k2 ప్లస్ 1/8 క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. మరి 3/8 అంటే 3 ఇంటూ 2/8 అవుతుంది. 3 ఇంటూ 6/8k1 ప్లస్ 1/k2 ప్లస్ 1/4 ఈక్వల్ టు 1. k2 ఈక్వల్ టు గివన్ k2 ఈక్వల్ టు k1 ఈక్వల్ టు 1.25k2 అంటే 5/4 అవుతుంది. k2 ఈక్వల్ టు 4/5 k1 ఈక్వల్ టు 6/8k1 ప్లస్ 5/4k1 ప్లస్ 1/4 ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ఇక్కడ మై ఎల్స్ ఇది 3/4 అవుతుంది. 3 ప్లస్ 5 అంటే 8/4k1 ఈక్వల్ టు 1 మైనస్ 1/4 అంటే 3/4. 4 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. 3k1 ఈక్వల్ టు 8 k1 ఈక్వల్ టు 8/3. Two identical charged conducting spheres separated by a distance, force between them is F. రెండు క్యూ చార్జెస్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే సపరేషన్ D ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫోర్స్ F ఈక్వల్ టు K ఇంటూ Q²/D². తర్వాత ఏమిచ్చారు, దీనికి ఇంకొక అన్చార్జ్డ్ స్పియర్ని టచ్ చేశారు. అప్పుడు దీనిపైన Q/2 ఉంటుంది, దానిపైన Q/2. మళ్ళా దీన్ని ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేశారు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ Q/2 ప్లస్ Q/2 ఛార్జ్ ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇది Q/2, ఇక్కడ Q/2 ప్లస్ Q/2 అంటే 3Q/2 3Q/4. కాబట్టి Q1 డాష్ ఈక్వల్ టు Q2 డాష్ ఈక్వల్ టు నౌ F డాష్ ఈక్వల్ టు K ఇంటూ Q/2 ఇంటూ 3Q/4 ఇంటూ 1/D² ఈక్వల్ టు K ఇంటూ 3Q²/8D² అవుతుంది. K ఇంటూ Q²/D² ఈక్వల్ టు F కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3F/8 అవుతుంది. దేర్ఫోర్ F డాష్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3F/8. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్లక్స్ త్రూ ద క్యూబ్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్ A? A point charge Q is at one of its corners. A point charge Q is placed one of its corners అని ఇచ్చారు. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆ క్యూబ్ పైన ఉండేటువంటి ఛార్జ్ని క్లోజ్ చేయటానికి దాని చుట్టూ మనకు ఇంకా 8 క్యూబ్స్ కావాలి. అవి ఇలా వస్తుంది. 8 identical cubes are required to arrange so that this charge is at the center of cube formed. So total flux phi equal to Q by epsilon naught flux through each cube equal to Q by 8 epsilon naught. A charge Q is placed at the center of line joining two charges Q. The system of three charges will be in equilibrium if Q equal to రెండు two charges plus Q are separated by a distance d. A charge capital Q is placed in between the line joining the two charges. The system is in equilibrium. In equilibrium, resultant force on all charges be zero. Charge Q is at the center. Force on that charge equal to 0. This is F and this is F. These two are equal. Now force on capital Q. F capital Q equal to F capital Q into small q, or plus equal to 0. K into Q square by D square plus K into small q into capital Q by D square by 4 equal to 0. D square k Q అటువైపు రాస్తే క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. క్యాపిటల్ Q ప్లస్ Q by 4 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. 4Q సారీ. Q equal to 0. 4Q equal to minus Q and Q equal to minus Q by 4. So magnitude and nature. Q by 4 unlike.